In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money on PayPal. If you want someone to send you money through PayPal, the good news is that the process is very simple. In most cases, all you really need is the right account information to share with the sender. In this walkthrough, I'll show you where to find that information inside your PayPal account so you can start receiving payments quickly and confidently. To begin, log into your PayPal account and go to your account summary page. Once you're there, look toward the top area of the screen for the gear icon. This is the settings button. Click on that to open your account settings. Inside settings, you'll be able to access important profile details connected to your account. One useful option to look for here is your PayPal ME link. This is a personalized payment link that you can share with other people so they can send you money more easily. Instead of giving detailed instructions to someone, you can simply send them your PayPal ME link and it will direct them to the correct place to pay you. This can be especially helpful if you receive money often, whether it's from friends, clients, or customers. If you see your PayPal ME link in your profile or settings area, you can copy it and share it with the person who needs to send you money. Make sure you share the correct link exactly as shown in your account, so there's no confusion. Another option is to use the email address connected to your PayPal account. PayPal allows people to send money directly to the email associated with your account, so if you prefer, you can simply share that email address with the sender. Once they enter it correctly on their side, the payment should be routed to your PayPal account. When sharing your email address, it's a good idea to double check that it matches the one currently active on your PayPal profile. That helps avoid delays or failed payments. If you use more than one email in your account, be sure you give the sender one that is confirmed and ready to receive money. So to recap, open the settings using the gear icon. Look for your paypal.me link. And if you want, you can also share the email address tied to your PayPal account. Either method gives someone the information they need to send you money through PayPal, and that's it. Once you've shared your link or email, you're ready to start receiving payments on PayPal.